This is lemon balm, one of the easiest herbs to grow in your garden, and one of the most attractive of this time of year is it comes up very early in the season and forms these lovely glossy clumps of fresh leaf from the growing crowns at the base. You can see this one was here last year, and these are the flowering spikes. You'll also find, once you've got this established in your garden, it seeds all over the place, and you'll see it popping up and running. It spreads by those two principal roots, and you can see if I just lift this one and just pull, there's a plant ready made with some root on it, which can just be potted up. And these again, this one will do the same, but this is also very easy if you can't get some root already established. It's rather like mint. If you just see where the roots are coming straight out of that little stem, this will root in water very, very quickly, or it can be placed just directly into soil, and again they'll grow away and root within a couple of weeks. It's got a beautiful sherbety lemon scent. It's very easy to distinguish just by crushing a leaf. You get that quite characteristic lemony, sherbety smell to it, and this can be used directly as an infusion or a perfusion to make a tea by using the same number of sprigs as you'd normally put into a peppermint tea, 4 or 5 good sprigs when this has grown on a little bit. And there's a variety of other uses it can be put to. It doesn't dry particularly well, so it is one which is best to grow fresh and use directly from your garden. Easy to grow, tolerates most soils, likes moisture, but tolerates really dry, sandy and rubbly soils just as well. So easy to grow through gravel or in difficult soils, and will grow in a pot very, very easily as well. So there's no reason why this couldn't be on a patio in a 6-inch pot or larger, and that'll give you lemon balm throughout the growing season.